One order from the top court and two distinctly strong reactions. The top court diktat, all stray dogs off the streets of Delhi NCR in 8 weeks. A howl of protests from dog lovers and animal rights activists. A counter pushback by those wanting a nationwide order, not just restricted to Delhi NCR. Since the order, protests have broken out at India Gate. Rescuers, feeders, dog lovers showing up. So did the cops. Detentions followed, emotions ran high. The cops armed with top court's order to clear the streets of dogs or face contempt. A protest that got political, with Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi taking on the top court order as a step backwards, calling stray dogs not problems to erase but lives to protect. He called the order cruel, short-sighted and inhuman. But the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta welcomed the Supreme Court order, calling stray dogs a big problem for Delhi.
इसमें माननीय कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा एक ही ध्येय है, दिल्ली की जनता को राहत देना। ये प्रॉब्लम जिस विकराल रूप धारण करके दिल्ली के सामने खड़ी है, इसमें सरकार की ईमानदारी के साथ में समाधान देना ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
While the exact order is yet to be published, it was contended in court that stray dogs are already being picked up, something confirmed by local municipal councillors to India Today. The Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gawai, has now assured to review a plea challenging the Supreme Court's contentious directive to relocate all stray dogs to shelters in 8 weeks. Amidst the crackdown, voices of dissent grew louder. Fresh protests by dog lovers and activists were seen in Film City, Noida, where some of the country's biggest news channels are located.
No 2 pounds! No 2 pounds! No 2 pounds! No 2 pounds! No 2 pounds!
What you're seeing behind me are a section of people who are dog lovers, who are protesting against the Supreme Court order, which have asked to remove the stray dogs from the streets. They're also partly angry with a section within the media about a coverage that they say has actually led to the protest in the first place. They want the ABC program, which is the animal birth control program, to be implemented nicely, because that's the only scientific manner in which you can reduce the number of dogs on the streets. This is not the right way to actually have strays removed inhumanly, and that's the reason they are protesting.
While the increasing dog menace is a real problem, especially within the Delhi NCR region, recording the highest dog bites in the country, the current top court diktat seems unimplementable, with what is estimated to be a 10 lakh dog population compared to just 20 recognized dog sterilization centers. In fact, India Today found out that some dog shelters in Delhi are not even functioning properly.
A shelter should have a kitchen, so there's a small kitchen where the food is being prepared. This is the dog's kitchen. The situation seems to be deplorable because the entire center needs a little bit organization. There is no cleaning as such.
While there is an infrastructural abyss, and Delhi will have to spend more on dog shelters than it does on public health to just implement the Supreme Court order, questions need to be asked of the overtly underwhelming performance of the MCD to control the dog menace in Delhi. In 21-22, the MCD spent 5.9 crores on stray dogs, of which 5 crores went towards sterilization and just 70 lakh towards building sterilization centers. A Delhi Assembly panel estimated the stray dog population at 8 lakhs in 2019, up from 5.6 lakhs in the last census of 2009. Comparable trends are visible in other metros. Bengaluru spends nearly 9.4 crore tackling the stray problem, while Mumbai BMC spent 11.2 crores the same year, which is financial year 2022. The low spending by the MCD comes even as dog bite cases surge. In Delhi, reported cases jumped nearly four-folds. In January 2025 alone, the city logged 3,196 dog bite cases. If the MCD even spent 6 crores on stray dogs as it listed for financial year spending the year 2021-22, then there had to be some documentary evidence on ground. What is to the contrary. Meanwhile, caught in this tug of war between humane care and hardline cleanup, Delhi faces a crucial question. Can the city find a compassionate way to keep its streets safe without losing its soul? Bureau Report, India Today.